So you find a property that you love, you put an offer, you go into escrow, but the disclosures and inspections don't go according to plan. So what's the next step? Hey everybody, my name is Julie Merrim, and this is Simplifying Home Buying. So after the inspections are done and the disclosures are given to the buyers will go ahead and fill out a request for repairs. Now, a request for repairs is basically a list of things that the buyers want fixed that they didn't know about the property before going into escrow. For example, if they do an inspection and they find out that the air conditioner is broken and they didn't know about that before going in, the buyers can go ahead and put that in the request for repairs. Or maybe there are roof tiles that are broken, something that the buyers couldn't see before going into escrow. Now they go ahead and fill that out and send it over to the seller. Now the seller has a few options. They don't actually have to just accept all of their requests for repairs and fix them. They can go ahead, they can do that. They can say, okay, we will fix all of these things, but they can also say, you know what, we are going to give you a credit towards your closing costs, or they can go ahead and bring down the purchase price, or they can actually just say, you know what, we are not going to fix any of those things. If you would still like to proceed, let us know. So it is another big part of negotiations. That's why it is important to have a real estate agent that is a good negotiator, because negotiations don't just end when you go into escrow. They continue on forward until the close of escrow. So that's simply the request for repairs. It can go back and forth multiple times. It doesn't necessarily need to be just one and done. But once they do agree, everyone will sign and confirm, and then contingencies can go ahead and be removed. So that's for the request for repairs. Please remember to like and comment on our Facebook and Instagram page. It means the world to me when I see people liking and commenting and sharing and telling me personally how much they love the videos and how it's helped them buy or sell a home. So thank you so much for that. And remember, my friends, that every house has a story. So let's tell yours together. I will see all of you soon.